안녕.
Hello from Seoul. Today we are going to make the sensational coffee on YouTube, as known as Dalgona coffee.
Because of the thing, many people are doing social distancing right now. Many people are stuck in the house. Since Korean people were doing that social distancing earlier, they had to find something to kill their time.
I've been staying at home for more than 4 weeks. To be honest, first week was okay. But from second week, it drives me crazy even though I'm a person who loves staying at home. So I had to find something to kill my time. It makes you exhausted, so you wanna stay at home. Plus, it tastes so good.
The recipe is so simple. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee with no sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. We need to make 2 cups of coffee, so we're gonna put 4 tablespoons each. After this, there's nothing much to do. Just whisk it. Some people doing this with a spoon, not a whisk, because they do this as a challenge. But I don't want to recommend. Use a whisk. Otherwise, you will see yourself using bad words.
From now on, just whisk it without thinking. Don't regret you started. Don't think about anything. Just go for it. Since it has lots of sugar, I think it is high-calorie coffee, so it is good to burn your calories in advance. I gained some weight because I've been staying at home for 4 weeks in a row. I think it's good. Not even close.
According to the viral recipe, you can make it within 400 times, but it's not even close.
벌써 400번 벌써 다 했겠다.
힘들어?
땀나다. 반팔 입고 올 걸.
If you use an electric hand mixer, you'll be needed 5 to 7 minutes, but just 400 times with your hands? I think the minimum is 4,000 times. Maybe it's 40,000 times. 아직까지도 진하네, 색깔이. 너무 느린가, 나는? 오. 팔 아파. If it seems too hard for you, you can use an electric hand mixer.
But I think handmade Dalgona coffee will be tastier. It's not because I don't have an electric hand mixer. I started this because I had a lot of time, but it is painful. Actually, we were planning to do a competition, but we changed the plan. I think it was the best decision I've ever made. Don't make it alone. Bring your family members. Ugh. Recently, I've been watching one bodybuilder's vlog and he made this coffee. After he finished, he measured his arm size and it got bigger. So don't try this alone. 진짜 땀나.
운동한다 생각하고 운동복 입고 와. Honestly, I was taking a break, so I'm okay. I don't look exhausted, but I'm okay.
진짜 너무 힘들어. 너도 해야지. 안 할 거야? 할 거라고? 할 거라고 꼬리 흔드는 거야? 내가 봤을 땐 지금부터 4,000번이다.
When it gets thicker like this, it's done. I recommend you to put ice cubes. It's gonna taste like iced latte. Put some ice cubes and milk. Put this Dalgona coffee on top. Some people put lots of coffee or milk to make it pretty, but it'll be too bitter, so this portion will be better. Finally, we made it! Isn't it amazing? Looks quite good.
Let's taste it.
뭐야, 힘들어서 뭐 좋다는 말도 못하는 거야? 너무 힘들어?
다 먹어.
같이 나눠서 해서 그런지 그렇게 힘들지 않았는데.
It really tastes like iced latte, but it's much more creamy, foamy, and thicker.
뭔가 이렇게 섞기가 아까울 정도야. 맛있다. Way better than what I expected. I like it. It's like the coffee that I had in Vietnam. I like it. 그치? 베트남에서 먹었던 거 커피 같지?
It's so similar with that Vietnamese coffee with condensed milk.
Yeah. 이건 너무 쓰다. 이게 있으면 뭔가 이렇게 먹고 싶은데 안 되네. It's dangerous. You got the coffee? Then why don't you binge watch our videos and have a good time?
Alright everybody, stay safe and healthy and we'll see you next time.
Bye!